What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back home. I was about to go to bed, but I decided to clean my room because it's not that messy, and I promised myself that I would clean it by this week, and it's already Saturday and I know I'm not gonna want to do it tomorrow. It's 12:14 a.m. right now and it is kind of late, but I'm kind of a night owl, so this is just like a normal day for me to be up this late. I'll show you guys my room real quick. It's not that bad. Like, if you're not new to my channel, you know that this is not that messy for me. Weirdly enough, I feel like when my room isn't that messy, that's when it takes me a lot longer to clean my room than when it's super messy. I have no idea why. This isn't going to be like a deep clean video. I probably won't be like mopping or like dusting like I usually do. I'm just gonna put away like all my clean clothes and stuff. Maybe wipe down my mirrors. I don't know, I may do that tomorrow. I just don't really feel like it. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more cleaning room videos from me, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So I have a cleaning room playlist, so if you guys just want to continue just like watching me clean while you clean, because hopefully if you're watching this video for inspiration, you're cleaning too. I'm calling you out. Make sure you're cleaning too. Don't just watch this video. We're gonna sidebar. Look how long my lashes are today. I'm so proud of them. I think I'm gonna start off with something easy to get myself feeling a little bit more motivated, because since I finished my intro, I almost convinced myself to pack it up and just do it tomorrow, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it today. I know I said I wasn't gonna dust anything, but I just can't help myself. I can't stand dust. It needs to go. Moving on to putting away my clean clothes, and honestly this entire section. Just moving on to this section. I just finished this side of my room. It doesn't look perfect, but it's good enough for right now. I think about an hour passed by. Yeah, it's, oh wow. I don't even know when I started. I think it's at 2:14, right? So it's 3:32. So a little over an hour passed by. I don't know why. Well, I did kind of predict it was gonna take me this long, but I don't have much left to do. Just like little things. So this honestly shouldn't take me too long. I hope to finish this by 4 o'clock. I'm gonna try and work really quickly. I think I started to get a little tired and I started to work a little bit slower, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna work a little bit faster. Honestly, I may take like a 2-minute break because I am pretty thirsty. So 2-minute break and then I'll be back. Like sleepy tired, but like physically I'm exhausted. But let me show you my room real quick. Here it is. It's clean-ish. I say clean-ish because I didn't like mop my floors or anything, but my room looks pretty good. It's not perfect. Yeah, I'm about to go wash my face because I'm just like over everything. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm actually just gonna take off my jewelry right now. Even though I'm finishing so late, I'm gonna try and get up at like, I would say 7, but that's impossible for me. I'm gonna try and get up at 9 o'clock because I wanna do some like organizing. I have to get rid of a lot of my clothes. I have a dresser inside my closet and it's filled with clothes that I don't wear. Actually, I only wear those clothes at home, but a lot of them are kind of like dingy, have like holes in them. And I don't know why I hold on to these things. I usually use them for like cleaning or just like if I'm lounging and I know that I'm not gonna see anyone, I'll just wear those clothes. But I need to start making room. I also want to put up curtains. So I have these curtains in my room, but I just felt like they just didn't look as full as I wanted them to look. So I bought another one at HomeGoods. So I'm gonna hang that up tomorrow. I'm probably gonna show it in a vlog. So yeah, that vlog will probably be up after this video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, I might get rid of the dresser inside my closet. I just want to like hang up, I guess, my nicer clothes in there, and then put like the clothes that I don't really care about in these drawers instead. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think that's a good idea, or should I keep my dresser? Let me know in the comments. I actually listen to your suggestions, so definitely let me know. I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright guys, I'm about to read my Bible, pray, and go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning room video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.